Hey, doggos. Where are we going? Where are we going? Happy birthday, Fee. We just dropped Gibson off at daycare. We got little Sadie girl in the back. We got Fee. Fee's not excited. Anyway, can't bring Gibson because he's a bad dog and likes to get into trouble. And we have way too many people going to be at the Vineyard. But other than that, this is going to be our adventure to North Carolina, Asheville on Fee's birthday weekend. Smile, Fee. Yay.
I hold on to this storm 'cause I need to be swept away, swept away. I'm cornered in the cold where you left me. Left again, left again. Oh, there's a jungle in my head growing wilder, and it's killing me, killing me. I cannot let you go. 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 I'll run into your arms if you call me. Call me please, call me please. I folded every thought like a razor, carving deep memories. Oh, am I standing at the wrong intersection? Come back to me, back to me. How could I let you go? 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 I get around despite the loss. I'm over here, gotta get across. Whether you like it or not, there is a moment meant for us. And now you made it, but I already played this. Not interested. interested. Open your eyes, let's get it done. Take my hand, just follow me. Shadowing me out one. Oh, oh, the sky is on fire. The lake has turned to a golden sun. Oh, oh, I'll never get tired. I just wanna dance, just wanna open your eyes, let's get it done. Take my hand, just follow me. Shadowing me out one. Oh, oh, the sky is on fire. The lake has turned to a golden sun. Oh, oh, I'll never get tired. I just wanna dance, just wanna
What is going on, guys? I know I haven't spoken much in this video. It's more just like getting the drone up and flying and really enjoying the scenery and the vacation, but just doing the event for Stone Ashe Vineyards. It runs in Fee's family with Aunt Tina, the little family. So far it's just an awesome day. I love this place. It's absolutely beautiful, as you can tell by the shots. Other than that, you're gonna see probably just like a little video and everything of the flights, the event, the wine tasting in the vines, and I'm gonna put together a little promotional for them. Other than that, see you there. So where have I been? So to be completely honest, the last few weeks have been pretty stressful. I've been trying to transition jobs, trying to figure out what I truly want to end up in. I do want to start a career. I've been looking into a lot of things. Just still, for the past 3 years, I've been looking. Ever since I lost my Army contract and my commissioning, I've just been looking. Just because I guess was planning on doing that for 4 years, and then it just didn't play out. So, of course, I went into hospitality while living in Charleston. I enjoyed my time. I tried to go customs twice now. It's just a very long process to get into the federal government. I did apply to dental school down in MUSC because I did enjoy my time working in the dental office. And yeah, just as much as I want to film and shoot these great videos and edit these videos and produce this content, I just can't because of the sheer time. And two, Charleston just doesn't have much of that. There's a lot of beaches and all that, but I just don't have the time to like get out there, take care of my dogs, work, pay the bills, etc. I know this is a little heart to heart with y'all, and I'm putting myself out there on the internet, but it's where I've been. It's why you're not going to see a lot of content. Every time I go on a trip, I am documenting it, whether it's filming, droning, talking, what have you. Thank you guys for watching. I do truly appreciate it. If you can please go right down here and hit that like button, the big thumbs up. It does help me produce this content. And if you're not already, please hit that little red subscribe button. It does help me, it helps my channel, it helps me grow, it helps me promote what I love to do. And that's journeying the world, enjoying life, as life is one of the most cherished things that we can have. Miffy!
You're on my hair.